Do you guys learn how to have sex from porn? It's not a good place to learn. It's so performative. We don't even know. Everyone just copies each other what we see in porn. Like, I was like, we don't even know what real moaning sounds like because we just copy porn. And I'm like, I'll never know my real I think if we didn't have porn and we didn't learn from that, moaning would just sound like a deaf person. Like, like, no, 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 no. You thought, oh, the American's gonna do the, no.